Did you know that one medieval instrument can sound like a violin, bagpipes, and drums all at once? The hurdy-gurdy isn't just a weird fiddle. It's a musical machine that works completely differently from any other string instrument. Instead of a bow, it uses a spinning wooden wheel that rubs against the strings. Turn the crank, and the wheel acts like a bow that never stops moving. But here's where it gets wild. You don't press the strings with your fingers. Tiny wooden keys push against the strings to change the pitch, making lightning-fast ornaments possible. The bagpipe sound comes from drone strings that hum constantly underneath the melody. They never stop vibrating. And that buzzing rhythm that sounds like a mistake, it's totally on purpose. A special string called the trompette sits loose against the bridge. When you change the wheel speed, it creates controlled buzzing that adds rhythm without any drums. The hurdy-gurdy is basically a one-person band disguised as a string instrument. Medieval musicians were more clever than we give them credit for.